really jive music but obviously ngaspana ngaspana obviously uspana like mangiphuma isigele ngispana you obvious hayi ngabona hayi mina kahle mina ngispanela ukuthi ngithenge into zami kanti music yabo into le
so now we started like equipment yakho endlini
yakho mina phela ngiproducer producer ragi
right yeah mara that's something great because now maybe any equipment yakho
yeah mina like it take time because it's painful kayazi lento le ukurecord ema studio abantu abasithathi serious labantu labo inko like ngachuza mina nokuthi like ngisize intwana yabona nazo ukuthi ezinye la engibona silezi ne talent shopfire ngisize ngishaya nazo mntwana ufika shopfire sonke sesimnandi abantu sabasicava kana uze kantona yami practice ukuthi like nawe uzama ukuzimanage lezi izinto zakhe yabo because nami yabona manje singaqala manje nami ukuthi ngibese ukuplana mase ngiplana from mina to nina lonke like umntwana bami like yabona into zakhona
so noma ngicela usasha umculo
umntwana yawasha intwana yami sekhuluma verse WhatsApp intwana yami uyaze mayize studio yakho ukuzwakala shaya sonke inamba intwana ngiyami kawo